Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Welcome to our fun drawing lesson today. We're going to learn how to draw a beautiful Christmas tree. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. First, we'll draw a star at the top of Christmas tree. Start by drawing a small triangle like this. Kids, draw with me, you will learn quickly. There, we did it, our star. Now, we will draw the outline of Christmas tree. First layer completed. Second layer. Third layer. And last layer of tree. Same we'll do at right side. Then we'll attach both the lines. Now we'll draw tree stand. Let's draw eyes and mouth for tree to look cool. Now kids, we will draw two stars at the top of the page. First we'll draw left side star. And same star we'll draw in right side to look beautiful. Perfect. Now it's time to use some color to look our tree colorful. First we'll use yellow color in star to look shiny. Let's color Christmas tree. In first layer we will use green color. Let's enjoy the tune until we finish the coloring part. In second layer we will use orange color. And in third layer we'll use yellow color. after last, and in final layer we'll use light red color. Brown color in tree stand. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.